Hey, good afternoon, meteorologist Jesse Kelly here live with us, and I hope everyone is having a fantastic Sunday. Again, similar to what we saw on Saturday, we have seen so far a fair share of showers and thunderstorms throughout most of the ArkLaTex for today, and we're continuing to see thunderstorms right now. And as a result of the rain and thunderstorms throughout parts of the area, we're seeing temperatures now only into the 80s here in Shreveport. Same thing in Texarkana, we're seeing winds out of the southeast between 5 to 10 miles an hour. Now, right now, we're seeing the bulk of the rain towards the north along the Interstate 30 corridor, although very scattered about thunderstorms, although thunderstorms are beginning to weaken some. But again, we did see a few heavy downpours and also saw some thunderstorms producing quite a bit of lightning as well, especially towards the north and east of Texarkana. So again, we'll see these thunderstorms continue for the next couple of hours. Maybe you can see some redevelopment of thunderstorms between now and sunset, and once we get past sunset, thunderstorms should begin to wind down. And we're still watching two weather features. We have the airflow pressure along the coast of Louisiana and also Texas, producing thunderstorms across south and central Louisiana. And that's also a stationary front towards the north, producing thunderstorms across southeast Oklahoma and even into southwest Arkansas. So we are in the middle of two features. So we're seeing a little bit of rain and thunderstorms from both features. But again, all of this will continue to work its way off towards the east, so we'll see rain chances decrease some as we get into the day on your Monday. Temperatures elsewhere throughout the ArkLaTex: the warm spot 94 degrees in Longview, 91 degrees in Mount Pleasant, where we haven't seen much of rain today. 83 degrees in Natchitoches right now, seeing temperature of 88 degrees up towards the Queen. So Robin told you kind of shows again thunderstorms winding down this evening, and we'll see most kind of skies where temperatures falling right back down into the middle 70s as we transition to your Monday afternoon, looking pretty hot. We'll see those temperatures going right back up into the middle to upper 90s. We'll see those winds out of the southwest at 5 to 10 miles an hour. Now, we could see a few stray thunderstorms for your Monday, but I think the better rain chances will probably occur towards the eastern edge of the ArkLaTex as the stationary front begins to wash out, and also the airflow pressure as along the coastline of Texas and Louisiana begin to work its way further off towards the east. So again, we'll see better rain chances in that direction. Now, as we get into your Tuesday, models are showing a line of thunderstorms developing out into Oklahoma and Arkansas that will continue to work its way southward during the early parts of Tuesday morning. So we'll see how far south these thunderstorms make it before they fall apart. So we could see a lot of thunderstorms work its way into the ArkLaTex by Tuesday morning, maybe even into the early parts of the afternoon. But we'll also see a cold front work its way into the region as well. So we could see more additional thunderstorms as we get into the day on your Wednesday. So as a result of the thunderstorms that we could see on Tuesday, if that verifies, we can see amounts anywhere between about a half an inch to an inch of rain. Some of the heavier storms could produce amounts up to 1.5 inches to even 2 inches of rain. So as we transition to your Wednesday, we could see additional showers and thunderstorms for your Wednesday along the front, as that possibly work its way down towards the south and east. But models are showing that could wash out. So not expecting much lower humidity behind the front that we were thinking, but we could see additional showers and thunderstorms for your Wednesday, and then seeing the rain chances begin to decrease as we get into the day on your Thursday and also into next weekend. But let's change gears and work our way out for the tropics, where we're watching two areas of interest. First off, we do have Invest 98L, which is now in just off the coast of Florida and also the southeast, which right now has a 80 to 90% chance of development over the next 5 days. So this could possibly develop, and if it does, it will become our next storm, which will be our E-named storm. But we do have Tropical Storm Dorian, which is out into the Atlantic. It will continue to strengthen over the next couple of days. It is possible that this could become a hurricane as we get into Wednesday, a Category 1 storm, winds of 75 miles an hour. But the good news here is that Dorian is expected to weaken as it works its way toward Hispaniola, even into portions of the southern Bahamas, as it encounters some wind shear and also some dry air, which will allow for this system to weekend. So again, we'll be watching both features very carefully. The first one doesn't pose any threat to the Gulf of Mexico. The second one, we'll watch that very carefully and see what happens over the next couple of days. But for tomorrow, though, we'll see another hot one. We'll see a temperature of 96 degrees in Shreveport, 97 in Atlanta, 95 degrees into Texarkana. And next 7 days shows temperatures into the middle to upper 90s for your Monday. Then seeing scattered thunderstorms returning back to the forecast for Tuesday, also for your Wednesday. And then we'll see thunderstorms begin to wind down. At least rain chances begin to wind down by next weekend, with temperatures falling back down to the lower 90s, which is closer to average, and lows into the 70s. Maybe seeing lows dropping into the upper 60s by next weekend.